Going through the airport. Coming through. Coming through. Hold on tight. Okay. Hold on tight. Say good morning to Faves. Look. Look here. You there, Vanikaza? Where are we? We're in the airport?
Vacation.
Yeah, we're in the airport. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Another day, another flight. We are in Paris, heading to Mexico today. We had a special check-in, so we check in and now we're heading to our gate. So I won't do the intro too long today because I'm focusing on going through this airport. So you guys will catch up with the rest of the fam bam in a bit. And I'm in busy Paris airport, so I'll catch you guys later. It's a long walk. Wow. Hold on tight, sorry. You have to hold on tight, okay?
Oh.
So the boys are there. And we're going through the airport. That's okay, Mama. Hold it so you're safe.
Mama.
Yes.
My dad.
Yeah, Mama, hold. You guys, I completely forget how going through an airport can be hackling. Oh my God. Anyway, we finally made it. Checked in, reached our gates, and we have like an hour before flight board. So I'm trying to find food, especially for Sarah, because this girl hates airplane food. So if I can find some food for Sarah, that'll be a win for me, shawty. So I'm trying to see if I can find some food. I'm trying to see if I can find some food somewhere. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm just walking around to see if I get any luck. But anyway, we're in the airport, checked in, all set, ready for a flight without problem. But this airport is so big, we had a long walk, but we made it. That's most important. So journey to Mexico continues, and we made it today, shawty. Babe, say hello. Ready for the long flight?
Oh no.
Tyler. Tyler.
Yes.
Say hello. Why you look like that? You ready for the long?
Bored.
We're saving the battery of your Nintendo until you get in the plane. As you get in the plane,
It's not my Nintendo, it's my tablet I want.
as you get in the plane, you can get any of them you want. You have 11 hours to save all the battery. Okay, so right now you're gonna long your lip until it reach to the ground because you won't get your tablet right now. Okay? So stop long your lip, it's already long enough. And you need lip balm. Come, let me put some lip balm on your lip.
So I'm gonna...
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Take your face off this dirty
Since
thing.
Auntie Dania had said when we sleep, time go fast.
That's true. In the plane is sleep.
I'm not gonna sleep in the plane, that's why I'm sleeping now.
So you guys, I ended up finding sandwiches. I did not find any fries, dommage. But I found sandwiches, so I bought sandwiches and the kids ate a bit. So it's almost time to go in the plane. So I'll see you guys on the plane.
Le personnel de bord montre actuellement les issues les plus proches. Attention, celle-ci peut être située derrière vous. En cas d'évacuation, vous devrez suivre les instructions de l'équipage et laisser tous vos bagages à bord.
Here. I wasn't expecting it to be that hot. You might have to take off your...
8 emergency exits are located on both sides of the aircraft. The crew might need minutes panel. Brakes in the front and 4 at the rear. In case of an emergency, to flight on the floor, we take these exits The coming cruise now showing you the nearest exit.
Papa is in front of us.
This one may be located behind you. In case of an evacuation, follow the cruise instructions and leave all your hand baggage behind.
Papa. Lunchtime for them kiddos. Sarah won't eat much of it, but she got, looks so good. She got pasta and cheese, carrot rapé, that's grated carrot. She got compote, that's pure fruit. She got a packet of candy and she got bread. But Sarah only interested in the candy. Tyler got the same thing. It's yummy time. It's time for, you want your dodo? Yeah. Can sleep here, okay? It's lunchtime and I'm having chicken and the small, and I have rice, milk, rice pudding, bread, Pepsi, and a little snack. just before the restaurant closed. Oh my gosh, I have a story to tell you guys when I reach the room. But we made it and we're eating dinner. Chicken, eat the chicken. No, no salt in the plate. No, no. You want a little bit of salt? Just a little bit. There you go. No more. Eat now. We've made it to our hotel room. I'm not even going to go outside and show you guys from the entrance because, honey child, I'm tired and I just want to show you guys before we get messy. So as we enter, we have a closet with all the necessities in there. The iron board, you name it. It comes with a little fridge. And we have a safety case which we did pay for to keep our stuff safe. And then as you come around, who doesn't like a full mirror in a hotel room? And then we enter to the bathroom. Let's see if I can discover where's the light. On the left, nope. On the right, yes. Nope. Where? Here?
Yes.
Ah, ta-da! And there we go, my Tyler and I. We have face basin, which is pretty tall. We have the toilets here. And we have a shower. Big shower. Yeah.
Go in the hotel without shower.
Go. That's not gonna happen. And of course the bathroom comes with hair dryer, soap, and it comes with shower gel and shampoo over there. And then exit the bathroom. We have another mirror, we have TV, and we have a table. And then we have two beds. One here and another one over here, and a baby bed coming for little miss. We have lamps, we have chair, and we have a balcony space on the outside, which I'm not gonna open and go out right now. I'll show you guys more tomorrow. But yeah, you guys can hear the music trumping and all these things outside. But honey child, we made it. Artwork nice and beautiful on the wall, and I just want to rest. The flight here was long, draining, and I just wanted to get here, but we got to tough it. We had to tough it out. Oh my god. And then when we got to Cancun airport, we had to jump on the tour bus and the hotel bus and come to the hotel. About roughly an hour drive. Right now it would have been after 4 a.m. No, after 4 a.m. It's almost 4:30 a.m. in France right now. Okay, so we've been up since France 7 o'clock this morning until 4 a.m. Can you guys imagine that? Little or no sleep in the plane. It's been a struggle. My kids are tired, they're miserable, they're whiny. So we're gonna sign out here. What? That's okay. Tell Faves night night.
Night time.
Yeah, the hotel.
Yeah.
You're tired?
Yeah.
Hey you, say night night.
No.
Babe, say night night.
Night.
You guys, tomorrow will be a much better day. Today was just traveling and not traveling. But we made it. So let's kick off this vacation, shall we? What else? We almost didn't get any food to eat because the restaurant closed at 10 and we got here at almost 10. As in 10 o'clock Mexico time. But anyway, see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the little bits and pieces that we'll have to share with you guys for the next few days. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow.